Hi friends, welcome back. Today I've come with a soft and delicious garlic dill pull apart bread. It's a very easy bread and it is so delicious, and the crumb is so soft and delicate. Hope you will like the video. So let us see how to make this soft and easy garlic bread. For that, here I have taken about 3/4 teaspoon of yeast in a bowl. Here I have taken instant yeast, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 230 ml of lukewarm milk and water mixture. Into this we'll add 350 grams of all-purpose flour or maida. In case you want to make with whole wheat flour or with semolina, I already have recipes in the channel, you can check it out. If you're using active dry yeast, then first activate the yeast, and when it bubbles up, then add the flour and mix it in. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt. We'll mix the flour well, and then we'll knead the dough. You can use the kneading hooks, or you can knead using hands. With the kneading hook, we'll knead for about 5 minutes till it becomes soft, and then into that we'll add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and again knead the dough till it becomes soft and elastic. If you're kneading by hand, knead for about 15 minutes till it becomes soft and elastic. Now the dough is ready. We'll allow it to rest for about 1 to 1.5 hours till it doubles in size. Depending on the weather conditions, it might take more or less time. If it is hot and humid, the dough will rise in a very short time. Now to make the garlic butter, here I have taken 3 tablespoons of butter. Into this, for half teaspoon of pepper powder and about 3 to 4 tablespoons of dill leaves finely chopped. You can use any herb of your choice. Here I have taken dill leaves, and then into this 3 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic. Mix well. And into this we'll add salt to taste and about a teaspoon of olive oil and mix well. Now the garlic butter is ready. Dough has risen very well. Now we'll give a short knead to the dough. Now we'll transfer this dough onto a floured surface and roll it out into a rectangle. I have rolled it out to a rectangle of size 12 by 14. In case you feel that the dough is not spreading properly, you're not able to roll it out, just allow the dough to rest for some more time and then try rolling it. Now we'll spread the prepared garlic butter. And spread it evenly. If you want, you can also use some cheese along with this. I'm not using cheese. And then we'll cut this into rectangles. Here I've divided the portion lengthwise into 3, and then horizontally I have cut it into 4 equal parts. So we'll get about 12 pieces. Now we'll stack these pieces one over the other. It's a very soft and flavorsome bread, so please do try it. And it's so easy to make it. And let me know how it turns out. Now after stacking these slices, we'll then transfer it into a 7-inch baking tin, which is well greased. Now just level it, cover it with a cling film or a kitchen towel, and allow it to rest till it doubles in size. Now the bread dough is doubled in size. We'll bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 45 minutes in a preheated oven. Now the bread is beautifully baked. The baked bread smells awesome. Let us brush some melted butter onto it and then remove it from the tin. It tastes best when it is warm. Do try the recipe. Thank you for watching.